In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get fast delivery on SHEIN in our 2025 guide. If you've ever shopped on SHEIN or you're considering making a purchase, you know that waiting for your fashion finds to arrive can sometimes be a test of patience. Today, we'll walk you through some strategies to ensure your items land at your doorstep as quickly as possible. So let's dive into the essential steps to get your SHEIN items delivered rapidly. To begin with, you'll need to open the SHEIN website on your desktop browser. Simply type in the SHEIN URL, and once the page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. This will ensure a more personalized shopping experience and further streamline the process for a quicker checkout. Now comes one of the fun parts, shopping. Browse through the endless categories or search for specific items you're interested in. As you find those irresistible pieces you just have to have, go ahead and add them to your cart. Remember, adding everything you might want at once can simplify the checkout process later. Once you've filled your cart with all those stylish finds, it's time to proceed to checkout. Click on the cart icon, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Here, you can take a helpful moment to review your chosen items, ensuring everything fits your style and size needs. Once you're satisfied, click on Checkout to move forward. Filling in your delivery address is the next crucial step. It's imperative to provide your full name, a valid phone number, and your complete address, including any necessary apartment numbers or specifics. Double check that all this information is accurate to prevent any mishaps or delays in receiving your order. With your personal details squared away, it's time to select a shipping method. Navigate to the shipping options, and here you'll want to choose express shipping. If your region offers something called urgent delivery, feel free to select that, as it implies an even speedier process. These options are typically faster than the standard shipping methods, reducing your wait time. Before finalizing everything, SHEIN will provide you with an estimated delivery date. Take a moment to review this information. Knowing when your package is slated to arrive can help manage expectations and also confirm if the chosen delivery method aligns with your needs. And that's it. By following these steps, each meticulously curated to enhance your shopping experience on SHEIN, you can enjoy your new fashion pieces in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.